Meet the PARKSIDE Precision Pliers Set, a compact but powerful 4-piece kit designed for detailed DIY work, electronics, repairs, and everyday tasks. Inside the pack, you get 4 essential pliers: diagonal cutters, combination pliers, long nose pliers, and precision needle nose pliers. Each tool features hardened steel jaws for clean cuts and strong grip, plus ergonomic rubber handles for comfort and control. These pliers are perfect for small projects, cable work, model building, automotive wiring, and workshop repairs. The slim tips give you access to tight spaces, while the solid construction delivers reliable performance every time. What I really like is how balanced they feel in the hand: lightweight, precise, and easy to use, even during longer jobs. Whether you're a DIY beginner or an experienced maker, this set covers most precision tasks without taking up much space in your toolbox. If you're looking for an affordable, practical pliers set for your workshop or home projects, this PARKSIDE kit is definitely worth checking out. And hey, if you enjoy tool reviews and DIY content like this, don't forget to hit subscribe and join the Mr. EAGLESTONE crew. More tools, more projects, more fun coming your way.